Hey y'all, I just got my mobile den coop from RentaCoop and it's a nesting box. I'm gonna put it together for you so you can see just how easy it is to do. It's not looking easy, but it's easy, trust me. So that's the one side of the roof of one of the nesting box, and then you put the triangle, into a groove. It's a groove on the side and it fits perfectly in there. You see what that red part is? That's fits right in there. So you're gonna take the other side of the roof and do the same. So I'm gonna slide it right and it fits right over that little groove. And once you get it, it fits perfectly and everything snaps down. And it brings the roof together too. So pay attention to those little grooves because they line up. Okay, and you see how I push it together like that? That fits perfect. So there are little holes on the top that the screws go in. And you have to pay attention to the holes because one hole is bigger than the other one. So you want to put the screw in to the biggest on the side with the biggest hole. So you push it on in there and you can tell you got it right because the screw goes almost completely in there. And I'm putting it on that side because that's where the biggest hole is. And I don't know why they did it that way, but so I'll go ahead and stick the screws in the holes. And I'm doing this in my living room in the comfort of my daddy's recliner, and while I'm watching Investigation Discovery because it takes me a while to do these things. Okay, so I had to get my screwdriver and I'm gonna screw those screws in. Like so. And it's not hard. That screwdriver made it harder. I couldn't find my long one, but my daddy eventually did find me a long one. Ain't it amazing how you be having like 12,000 screwdrivers, but you can't ever find the one you really want? Well, when I say you, I mean me. I have like 12 screwdrivers and I can't find the one I want when I need it. Okie dokie. And there you go. So now that's all secure. So this part is kind of cute. It should be easy. It should be, but it's not. Don't be watching them stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna put the it needs to make a lip. The purpose of this is to make a lip. And you want it, I don't know why it has that long. I guess because it gives you the option to move it up. I just did it to the very bottom. I guess you can adjust for the rolling. I didn't want the thing to be too steep because I didn't want my chickens to be like, what am I sitting on? So I put it at the bottom just so that the floor of the nesting box is elevated on one side, but not too much. So I'm having some challenges. So you want to put what's that thing called? What is that thing called? Washer? You want to put the washer on underneath the screw because the back part where the screw goes, it's open, so the screw won't stay unless you put that washer. And I found it was easier to just put the washer in and hold that in and then put the thing on top of the screw, because I was not having a good time. And I screwed it a little bit with my hand so it'll stay. Then I got the screwdriver and then I made it do what it do. See, folks, you got to figure it out. There you go. There you go. And now the other side. And I'm going to use that same part. See how it's like space? The screw can be up at the top or down at the bottom. I put mine down at the bottom. What am I looking for over there? Oh, the screwdriver. Oh, the screw. Talking about a driver. I was looking for the screw. I need to get my nails done. Okay. And my thigh is just fine. I mean... Okay, so I'm finally gonna get it. And I could cut all this away, but I just want to show what you really have to do to get stuff done by yourself. And even though I'm a delicate flower, I can put some stuff together. Don't sleep. Okay, so I'm tightening up those screws to make sure that lip, see, so and you can see how it's like a lip there. And that's where the floor is going to fit. There's the floor, and you put it, you see how it slants down. And that's so the eggs can roll to the front. Okay, now for the next part. Take the top, and you're gonna line the top up with, like so. You're gonna line the top up with that bottom part, and there are holes, so you have to line those holes up. And this isn't, it's not hard, but it's something. It take a minute. So you line that up. And I like to pre-screw with my fingers before I get my screwdriver. So this is taking me a minute, and I don't think I'm gonna make y'all do that. Okay, so ta-da! I got it together, and it looks good. So next, I forgot what the next part is. Oh, that lid part. Okay, so here's what happened. What had happened was, that thing is actually broke. You see that side right there? That is not supposed to be like that. It's broke. The other side is not broke. See, that's when I discovered it. And am I gonna send it back? No. Why? Cause I ain't got time. I ain't got time. I'm just gonna put it on there. I might find me some Gorilla Glue or something to do something with the something and stuff. But nah, I'm not gonna send it back because I ain't got time. I got to put these nesting boxes out there for my chickens so they can be given eggs in a clean environment. Okay. Once again, I had to get a clue. So now you put the bottom in. Ta-da! And that is basically it. So I'm getting the feet with my feet. I'm not using that. That goes on the back. I don't know what purpose it serves, but I'm not putting that on the back because I'm pushing the nesting box. This is flush up against the wall of the chicken house. So I have 3. So now I have to put them together with the screw, which I guess you could skip that if you really wanted to, but I went on ahead and did that. It wasn't hard. It was a little cumbersome, but it was not hard to do. A few moments later. It took a minute. It's taking a minute. I'm sorry, y'all. That's the back. If you can see the back a little better. But I don't know what I'm showing y'all. I'm trying to do it and the camera is where it is. So while I'm doing this, I will just tell y'all about what I did use in the meantime. I used a regular dish tub, like those plastic dish tubs, with some pine shavings, and they started laying. There we go. Look at there. Look at there. It's so cute. All right. And this is them ignoring it. Yes, ignoring it. So I closed the door to the chicken house, and now they're investigating because they nosy. They are nosy little heifers. Yes, I know they're chickens, but they're heifers. And they are just nosy. So I was going to try to get a video of them actually going in the thing, but no. They said no. They just want to investigate. And so I never got a picture of them actually going inside. So I just went on in the house. I thought I was gonna get dandelion going in there. That one right there, that's red. And they get in there and then they get out. See, look at her. She's like, I don't know what's going on. What is this? So I closed the door to the hen house so they won't go in there. So thank y'all for watching. And hope this was helpful. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.